How to close a round with a slip stitch. A pattern will often tell you to close to the first stitch. I have a chain 3 here at the beginning, and next to that I have a regular double crochet. So I'm going to close on the chain 3 with a slip stitch. So you go to the 1, 2, 3, the third chain stitch, which is the top of the stitch. Enter into that top of that chain. Pick up your loop from the back, pull through and pull through. And at this point you've closed with a slip stitch. You can either now continue to the next round or cut off your yarn and start with a new color.